What's up, YouTube? Justin here, just checking in, giving you guys another update on my reef tank, 95 gallon, 3x2x2. And I've ordered the glass, so I should have it by this Friday, officially. There's the tank stand there. It's coming along. I've still got to put hinges here to finish the door there. And I've got hinges on both of those doors on the front. One handle, I broke the other handle, so I've got to return that back to Lowe's and get it replaced. I've added a few things since you guys have seen last. I put this bookshelf, that's really what it is, a bookshelf on top. It's actually 36 by 24, which is perfect for my needs. And I got some of this plastic molding. It looks like mahogany wood, but it's actually plastic. I bought it right from Lowe's, and that'll be perfect for an aquarium. So if it gets wet, it's not going to rot, but that's not going to say much for the rest of it. That's all wood, but at least the facing on it will be weather resistant, I guess I should say. So back to the purpose of my video. I've been curing rocks, live rock. Well, it's actually dead rock still. I washed them for a week. I let them soak in bleach water for a week. The solution I used was 2 gallons of bleach to 20 gallons of water. That was a pretty strong mixture, and the water was really funky when after a week's time had passed. So I rinsed them off once with tap water, and then once I got most of the bleach off and all of the rock dust and organic matter, I started filling up this thing with RODI water last night, and that got most of the bleach smell off. I took them out, dried them all off, let them soak overnight, and I let them dry out for about 2 hours, and now I've put them back in the container, and I'm filling it up for a second time with RODI water. And the unit I'm using is the Aqua FX Barracuda. It's a 4-stage RODI system, and you need at least 40 pounds of pressure. It's got a nice little pressure gauge on it, at least 40 pounds to produce good quality water. And I saw the result of this when my wife was washing clothes earlier. When the washer was running, it was taking the water pressure from our house, and the pressure dropped down to about 35 psi. And I was checking my meter. I was trying to record a video earlier, and I was trying to show you guys the actual TDS that was being produced from this unit, and it was producing like 9, 10, 11 TDS, and then I realized that my pressure was too low, and that's what was causing this. So now we can check it out now. I think I've got about 40 PSI, which is like the bare minimum, but it's good enough. So I'm gonna fill this up. I've only got one hand, so let me use my camera hand. And I'm going to put the meter in and turn it on. So I've still got a little dirty water left over in there, but there you go, 001 ppm total dissolved solids. So producing really good water. And I wanted to do this last time, show you guys what the TDS was in the actual tank. That says 27, and that's just crap that's washing off the rocks, probably carbonates from the carbonate limestone rock that I'm using. CaCO3, calcium carbonate. That stuff does dissolve in water. This looks like a pretty slimy area. Same thing, 27 TDS, which isn't terrible, but once I do this once or twice, maybe I'll get it down to below 10, and then I'll mix me a salt solution and add some bacteria to culture these rocks, and then we'll be off to be making live rock. Again, like I said, I've got the order in for my glass. That will be here this Friday, and I'm gonna build the tank. I'm gonna do it the injection method, so I hope you guys check that out when I come, or when I start building it. And just to do the full video, there's the rejection of the RO unit, and I've actually got a water hose running through my window. Kind of ghetto, but that's the only way I could hook it up. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment below, and I'll try to address any of your questions. See you soon.